This is my weekly market recap. Basically, going over every trade I took that week and the trades I'm supposed to be taking, the trades that I did take, which the trades I should have not be taking, right? So on Monday, a bank holiday, but we did have a setup on this day, right? And my one of my participants changed 7 experience, 3 probability, took a trade on Monday on a huge holiday. He made bank on this day, right? Bro, imagine making money on a bank holiday. Everybody's sleeping and you're out here working hard. And that is what my Professor Shane does. So join the free Discord right now, baby. Let's go over to it, right? And I can show you if you want me to. I will show you at the end of the video, okay? I'm gonna show you guys the weekly market recap for my Professor Shane as well. I'm gonna show you guys the weekly market recap for him as well. So yeah. So on Monday, we basically had an hourly order block that got created at 30-minute. I think this was a 30-minute order block as well. And I got a breakup block. So right when it came back, Thursday, give me 5-minute breakup touch right here. The 5-minute breakup touch, hella premium spot, but give me another. Then I'm saying accumulation or touch it. Entry position right here, TP1, TP2, and right here it calls above the zone. The 15-minute calls above the zone, so I'll hold the next TP right here. Boom. That's the trade I should have taken, right? The next day was right here. This is unbelievable, chat. You were like, so on this day, right? I was looking for a breakup structure to enter this trade, right? You went up. I was like, yo, premium spot. Then it came back down. Boom, boom. So I did. If you go to the 1-minute time frame, I can show you, man. So on this day, I was basically waiting for a breakup structure to happen. But this week I ended up break even week, so it was a pretty good thing, you know what I'm saying? I ended up at a loss. I break even, so which is good. I think I made a little wins, but it's good, okay? So I was basically waiting for a breakup structure, so yeah. So on this, right? So this might have been my ideal entry because look, the breakup was far off the market. Just my building block, right? So I'm basically looking for a comps to go back up. The breakup just far away from the market. So this order block was enough, so I entered that. Boom, TP smash on that, right? Came back down. Give me another entry right here, right? You can see, give me another entry. So give me another entry. This white candle right here, just give me another entry. Enter that. This one I held to the first TP because I'm gonna get the daily bias, right? Boom, I get hit. And guess what? I took a stupid loss right over here because I traded 15 minutes for news. So next time I know they're not trading 15 minutes for news. Boom, I took another one. I took a dub on this one. First entry right here, second entry right here. This one I only entered one time, but I did make 2% on the trade. This should have been my real entry. This is my other entry for actual confirmation, right? So I could have actually stacked up my confidence on this trade, made more money. But yeah, only made 2% on this trade, right? 2% on this trade and 1% on this trade. 2% on this trade and 4% on this trade, right? 5.58% if I entered above them, but I only checked this one. This one made all my losses back, so which is good, right? So yeah, what could we done better on this trade? We could have stacked up our position. We could have been confident because the fair value gap was enough for the market to move back up. We should have done that, right? That's what we should have done. We should have acted smarter, right? Should have done that. Thank you. And the other day, the market recap. Other trade I took, or was it right over here? This day, I went band for band with the order block. I lost that. So what I learned from this trade is I should have not even entered that hella premium spot. So boom, went band for band with the order block, boom, knock. So what I keep on noticing with the order block, right? So that's what I keep on noticing with the order block. So every time it touches my order block, bro, chill, because it's gonna move back or up depending on the bias, depending on the bearish or bullish order block, right? So basically on this thing, I should have not even entered this stupid decision, and I'm buying premium. So next time, what do we know? When we touch the order block, do not trade near the order block. I mean, you could trade near the order block, right? But do not trade right when it touches the order block. Do not trade because that's gonna cause a lot of effect to the market. Do not trade that, and do not buy and sell in premium, okay? That's what we learned from this trade, okay? So the next one, we had another setup. We went all the way down, box touches down, so I had a sell setup. The sell setup never happened, right? So I was like, yo, this touched the zone right here, touched the zone right over here, right? I was like, yo, that's really bullish. Boom, this should have been my real entry. TP right here on the zone, right? This recent session high, right? The real TP should be right there. Boom. I took another setup right here. It's lost because what? I went against the order block again. I went band for band. I got cooked. So what I learned to not do the same thing again. Do not buy in premium and do not go band for band with the order block. Once you touch the order block, do not buy inside the order block. Do not sell inside the order block when it's against you, right? And do not enter inside the order block against it. All right, that's what I learned. And not buy and sell in premium. I promise you guys I'll do better, man. So other trade, that trade was a loss, right? Two losses right there. This trade, I took a 2 win right here. Boom. on the, I think I took a trade on live, but this thing, I mean, I think somebody took a trade with me, but I think 2 people took a trade with me, right? So this trade hit, so I was waiting for like, yo, got out, touched my thing, right? Touched my order block, he got out, right? I was like, yo, just waiting for a confirmation to get back up. Boom, he broke up all the way here, entered right on that. Wait, entered not there, then I entered there, chat. I had a different type of entry. Yeah, I entered right on this. To this huge bullish candle, that's where I entered. Boom, my other entry was right here. So what could have done better on this entry, bro? Look for stack up a position, right? Look for a different confluence, right? So we have liquidity. Look for a different confluence to get in. That's what we had. Boom, TP smash. I made, I think, 2% on this trade as well. Yep, I made 2% on the trade as well. So, and Friday we didn't take no trade, chat, because really the market just tripped out, went up and down. Yeah, news messed up the market, so I really had to shut up. But what do we learn from this whole thing is not buy and sell in premium. Do not go for a ban with the order block. Once you touch the order block, do not even trade inside the order block. Do not trade near it. Once you touch it, do not trade it. When you're going to get the daily buys, just go for one tick profit. Just go for one tick profit. Just go for one tick profit. Do not go for one tick profit. That's what I learned, right? Another thing is that do not make stupid decisions. Another thing is that play around with the auto breakup structure. So if the breakup structure fall, the market, far away from the market in the 5 minute, look for a different confluence structure like a level or any other confluence other than, or like, you know, just a breakup structure, right? So I learned. And another thing, I wrote it down. I'll literally read it out for you, all right? Literally, I wrote it down. So I basically said, yo, I can only look for other conflicts other than breakup structure if the breakup structure is far away from the market in the 5 minute, in the 1 minute. I can only look for a different conflict if the breakup structure, I can only look for, wait, I said, I can look for a different conflict in the other than breakup structure in the 5 minute and the 1 minute for execution, right? If the 5 minute breakup structure far away from the market, I can look for a different conflict just like level or any other building block other than breakup structure, right? To get in, right? I could have done that. Look, basically I think the Monday trade was that, no, the Tuesday trade was that, right? So and that was that, and the same thing applied to 1 minute, all right? And other thing I said that when the hourly chart is against my bias, I'm looking for a 15 minute breakup structure to the structure and I'm looking for a 15 minute breakup structure to my bias, right? The position I'm going into, right? I'll constantly monitor the 5 to 15 minute time frame to see a setup form before a real setup appears on the 15 minute time frame. If I see a setup form in the 5 minute time frame, I will enter that trade as a bonus. So as a bonus risk or as a bonus reward, right? I'll be only risking 0.5% on that trade, right? After you break structure on the 15 minute time frame, I'll look for a different trade. And if he gives me I'll look at 15 minute time frame and gives me a real setup, I'll look for and enter that trade as a 1% trade. So because the reason I'm risking the 5% on the 5 minute time frame because that could come back, that market come back down and check out, right? And the other thing is that I read this every day and now I'm at the same take over and over. Thank you for watching. And this is my market, literally my weekly market recap for y'all, man. Thank you for watching. And yeah, it was great. Weekly market recap.